What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace a standard doorbell button. All you need is a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver, the new doorbell button itself, and the hardware that came with it. I'll leave a link in the description below for this doorbell button. If you have any doubt whether or not your system is a low voltage system, turn off the power before continuing. To remove the old doorbell, you're going to start by removing the two screws that hold it into place. Then on the inside you'll notice there's two screws holding the wires in. You're going to remove these screws and pull the wires out. The new doorbell is going to have a similar setup with two screws. It doesn't matter which wire goes underneath which screw, just as long as you connect one to one and one to the other. So you're going to loosen those screws and make room for the wires. Then thread the wires through the hole in the back of the doorbell. You'll then want to hook the wire on with the point of the hook going clockwise around the screw. This helps prevent it from falling off when you tighten down the screw. And you'll just want to firmly snug these down. You don't want to over tighten them or strip out the screw. Then if you want to do a little test, in my case I have low voltage wire, so you can touch it together and see if it chimes. This particular doorbell has a mounting plate onto which the faceplate locks onto. So I'm now going to tighten down the mounting plate. Last step is to clip on the faceplate and double check that it works correctly. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and if this video helped out, please give it a thumbs up, and also check out my other videos. See you in the next one.